Hello friends, this is Ajinkya from Ajinkya Creations. I have been uploading the videos of coins from last year on the YouTube. Today I am going to share all collection of my coins which I have collected from my childhood. In my collection from my childhood I have collected almost 150 coins. These coins include coins of 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, coins of 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 5 paisas, 10 paisa, 20 paisa and 50 paisa, and also some of the coins from other countries like Nepal, USA, etc. In my collection I have also the notes of countries like USA, Nepal, South Korea, etc. In my collection, I have coins from the decade 1850 to 2018. In my collection, there are some coins which are very rare and very precious. Generally, people what they do, like they collect the coins and sell to other person, but I don't like to do that because from childhood I am collecting the coins, and how can I sell the coins? So friends, my suggestion to you is, like, if you have some coins you can sell to me and I can buy it from you. So friends, this is the all information about my all coins which I have collected from my childhood. Thank you very much.